In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create bulk send in Zoho Sign. Bulk send lets you send the same document to many people at once, each receiving their own copy to sign. It's perfect for agreements, disclosures, or consent forms where the content is identical for all recipients. Before we start, make sure you have the document ready and a simple CSV file with recipient names and email addresses. Begin by opening your preferred browser and searching for Zoho. Head to the official Zoho website and sign into your account. If you use multi-factor authentication, complete that step as usual. It's also a good idea to confirm you're in the correct organization or region if your account uses more than one. Once you're in, locate the launcher or list of apps and choose Zoho Sign. This takes you to the Zoho Sign dashboard. From here, find and click Send for signatures. This is where you'll build your bulk send package. Next, upload your document. You can add it from your computer or connect to cloud storage like Zoho WorkDrive, Dropbox, or OneDrive. PDFs are ideal, but common document types also work. Avoid password-protected files or scanned images with low quality, since those can make field placement difficult and may affect signer experience. Now click Add Bulk Recipients. Select your CSV file that includes the recipient names and email addresses. Keep the CSV simple. Use clear column headers such as name and email, and ensure each row has a valid email address. After uploading, check the field mapping screen if it appears, and confirm that the name column is mapped to the recipient name and the email column is mapped to the recipient email. If you see any errors, fix them in your CSV and re-upload so everything lines up perfectly. In the document viewer, drag and drop the fields your recipients need to complete. At minimum, place a signature field. You can also add a date field or a text field if necessary. Make sure each field is assigned to the signer and marked as required when appropriate. Align fields neatly and repeat the placement on each page where a signature or date is needed. The goal is to create a consistent, clear signing experience for every recipient. Finally, review the details. Double-check the document, the recipient list, the email subject and message, and any optional settings like reminders or expiration. When everything looks good, click Send. Zoho Sign will generate individual envelopes for each recipient, and you can track their status from the dashboard. That's all it takes to create a professional bulk send in Zoho Sign.